Add medium-sized tomatoes, half large onion, 1 large capsicum, 1 large potato. Let's fry onion on medium flame. Add tomatoes. Add green chili. We are making simple chicken curry recipe. Cover it for a few minutes. Add chicken. Fry until it gets golden color. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, coriander, red chili and turmeric according to your taste. Add chopped capsicum. Add potato. Let's fry it. Fry it on medium flame until it gets tender. Now add 1 cup of water. And let it cover for 15 minutes. Keep it on low medium flame. Open and serve it. Yummy!